Lot 218, the 1960 Fiat 600 Jolly and the 1958 Fiat 600 Multipla. Twice the fun in this case. We should mention, of course, that the 600 Jolly, with its 4-cylinder engine, is very desirable and sought after over the 500. The fact that it's been restored without regard to expense alongside a matched Multipla is truly incredible. So, the two perfect cars for the most stylish day at the beach. They're playing chicken. The Fiat 600 Jolly and Fiat 600 Multipla. I already see a paddle right now, Max.
There we go, absolutely. Would you like to tell me at $50,000? How's that? 25 each. What do you mean no? Absolutely, it's got to be worth that. 50,000, thank you very much. Ladies bid at $50,000 now. Oh, two ladies bidding. It's going to be a ladies' war. 60,000 on my left, 70,000. I would not get in the middle of this argument here, ladies and gentlemen. Or more, I should say gentlemen. At $70,000, I have a ladies bid on my right, and another one, sorry, a gentleman here, $80,000 on my left here. So I have $90,000 for me. 90. We've got ladies on the telephone bidding on this lot, ladies and gentlemen. It's amazing. $100,000. Girls only, 110, Andrew. And 110,000 on my left here. 120,000. He's with me again. Did I see 130 in the back? $130,000 in the back of the room standing. 140. Oh, I apologize. I wasn't giving you any attention. 140,000. My other lady bidding here at 140,000. So I have 150,000. 150 on the telephone. Thank you. At 150. So I have 160 for either of you two. $160,000 on my left. At 160,000, so I have 170,000. Where have you disappeared to? $170,000 on the telephone, ladies and gentlemen. At 180,000 on my left here. At 180,000, so I have $190,000 now. We're at $180,000, ladies and gentlemen. Do I have any advance? You have both gone very quiet on me. Why we start bidding? At $180,000 then? Well, I can sell if I have no better bid, and it's going for the first time. At $180,000, then it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. 185 in the front row, 185, 190 back in with me. 195 back in the front row, 200,000 back in with me. 205 in the front row. Do I have 210? 210,000, thank you. 220 or 15? 220,000, he says. 230,000 I have. What do you mean? Really? You're in California. You've got to buy them. That's a good reason, isn't it? Okay then. I know, but you are in California. Well, at 220,000, it's going on my left, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, you're buying both cars, and it's going for the first time. At $220,000, it's going for the second time on my left here. Last chance at $220,000, and well done. All finished. I'm selling. There's no better bid. Sold your cars. Well done. Thank you, Joe. 7, 3, 5, 6. I don't think I've ever sold 2 cars. Not for the price of one.
The secret to success was offering cars in pairs.